You smile, that smile. I thank all my lucky stars that made it worthwhile to wait patiently till you came running to me. You made my life worthwhile with just one beautiful smile. When you came to me, I was so lonely, filled with despair, imagine not even a care. But then you smile that smile that filled me with that burning desire. You made my life worthwhile with just one beautiful smile. Whoa, whoa, I never wanted romance until you came and gave me the chance. And now that you're mine, I wanna love you all the time. And I'm so glad you're mine. I so smile and say that we will never ever part. My darling, can't you see I need you so? 'Cause I waited patiently until you came running to me. You made my life worthwhile with just one beautiful smile. Do what it would, do what it would, do what